Alright, so in this particular video I'm going to show you how you can currently maneuver the hot wallet and do some tasks. So first thing first, right, if you come to this area, you are going to see the mission. So once you click on mission, right, and you scroll down, first down, for this particular educational part, so if you click on it, we have about 11 videos for now, and I've currently answered everything, like everything. So if you are still having issue to get this answer, I have a link at the comment section. So go to the comment section of this particular video, you see a link right here. That's a link to my Telegram, so you can just get the code for all this right there. It is quite simple and straightforward, right? And if you want to get more updates, you can just go and just, so let's go into how you can currently earn more, right? So on this, you can see for now I've completed my turn transaction. This is the turn transaction right here, and all you need to do is, the first one is the video, the next one is to deposit about 0.3 worth of turn and to complete your wallet, right? So let's go into another task which we should do right now. So on this one, if you click on this particular one, right, you can see I need to complete this task. So right here we have about 4 tasks to complete to earn about 0.76 auth, right? To mine auth these days is quite hard, like it is getting hard day by day. So you need to do some of these tasks to be able to be eligible and to be able to get more worth, right? So we are going to do this one right now. So I'll click on it, and it actually says I need to deposit about some amount of U1, right? So right now I have near. So what I need to do is to convert my near to this. So how do we do this? You come back to this site, then you go to swap. So I'll go back right now and go to swap. So I'm going to click on my swap, right? So right, and we are going to be swapping our near. You can see I have near right here. I'm going to be swapping my near to U1, right? So all I need to do is to click on the amount of near I want to share to U1. So I'm going to be sharing, all I need is just like about 1 U1. And if I click on 0.5 near, so 0.5 near should give me, alright, so currently 0.5 near is actually going to give me about 2 U1, right? Because I need 1. So 0.5 is going to be giving me 2 U1. So let me reduce this to about 0.2. Alright, so let's see. So 0.2 is going to give me 0.9, so I can do 0.3 directly. Alright, so 0.3 will be fine. So 0.3 will give me 1.3 U1, right? So all I need to do is to click on confirm and review my transaction, then swap. So the swapping is actually going to stay for a while, and it's actually going to go like that. So you can earn your free right here. Just be clicking on transaction, then click on this. You are going to be earning that already. So once another one come up, I click on it, right? So for each, it's actually giving me about 2 or 3 kind of, or 1, 2, 3, depending on what they have right there. So during the space of you getting to do your transaction, you can currently be able to earn some free also. I know this particular free is going to award to something very soon, so we wait for this transaction to actually load, and now there is no more free to come up. So we keep doing this. Alright, so after this transaction, I'm going to show you how I'm going to be claiming that already. So you can see my swap is completed, and I click on done, right? So once I click on done, I'll come back to my page. Okay, so if you scroll down, you're going to see this has been added to my collection right here. It has been added to my collection. Then all I need to do is to go back to my tax. So I'm going to go back to the tax, which is the mission, then come back to this side, then click on it. So okay, this is Solana. Let me come back to this particular one. Okay, so we have it right here. So I've completed the task. All I need to do is claim, right? So this is going to load for a while. Alright, so after loading, you can see I currently achieved this particular one, and that is massive. So I click on more, and I'm done with this particular task. So that is how it is. So if you scroll down, you are going to see I've completed this task, I've completed this, I've completed this, I've completed this one also. So you have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tasks left, which I'm going to be doing also. Then that is currently how you can keep completing your tasks in this particular platform, right? So if you want to get more further updates, do well to stick to the chat